Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Lisa C. Morales, 41 years old. I have 3 children with my live-in partner. My eldest daughter is 22 years old. My son is 20 years old. My youngest daughter is 15 years old. My educational attainment is high school graduate. I live in Valenzuela City, Philippines. My parents are Herminian Morales and Elijah Casas Morales. We are 6 siblings, and I am the fifth of the siblings. I work in Qatar from year 2018 to 2020. My duties and responsibilities there: ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and I help with my employer when she cooks. The second one is in Qatar from 2021 to 2023. My duties and responsibilities there are to assist the children when they eat and when they go to school, ironing, washing clothes, and cleaning the house. The third one is in Saudi Arabia from January 2024 to November 1, 2025. My duties and responsibilities there: ironing, cleaning the house, and washing clothes. When my employer went to live in Germany with their son, who was studying there, they left me with their son, and I worked them in 2 months. When they got a housemaid, they sent me here in Philippines. I hope, Mom and Sir, you will choose me to be your maid. I promise that I will be loyal and I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.